Top 5 Ninja Foodi Air Fry Oven Problems, and how to fix them right. Got a Ninja Air Fry Oven acting up? Here are the 5 most common problems, and exactly how to fix them without guesswork. Number 1. Oven shuts off mid-cook. If your oven powers off before the timer ends, it's usually tripping its overheat safety. Pull it forward from the wall so the rear vent has at least 2 inches of clearance, and make sure the crumb tray is installed flat with no foil covering it. Foil reflects heat back at the sensors and can cause an early shutdown. Number 2. One side cooks faster. If one side burns while the other is underdone, check your rack position. Center the pan or basket on the rack, leaving space around the edges for hot air to circulate evenly. Crowding food against the walls disrupts airflow and causes uneven cooking. Number 3. Door pops, open mid-cook. A door that springs open usually means the latch can't catch. Unplug the oven, let it cool, then wipe the latch area with a soft, heat-safe microfiber cloth. I've linked the one I use below. It lifts crumbs and grease without scratching, helping the latch close fully again. Number 4. Fan not spinning or runs loud. If you hear rattling or the fan won't move, debris may be striking the blades. With the oven unplugged and cooled, tilt it forward slightly and tap the sides to dislodge crumbs. Avoid pushing food against the back wall when cooking. It can block airflow and strain the fan. Number 5. Timer runs but no heat. If the display is counting down but the oven stays cold, the heating cycle may never have started. Pick a heat-producing mode: air fry, bake, roast, or broil, then press start. Wait for the preheat to finish, and when it prompts add food, reinsert the pan or basket fully so the sensor detects it. Skipping that step can make it run the full timer without heating. These 5 cover the biggest frustrations you're likely to run into, and all can be fixed without taking your oven apart. If this helped you get your oven cooking evenly again, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if you need a heat-safe microfiber cloth for cleaning latches and vents without scratching, I've linked the one I use below. Thanks for watching, and keep the air flowing.